Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm gonna be giving you update of 18th of January, 19th of January, 2026. Okay. So yesterday, actually, we took trade around here. Yeah, long, and I think I took the trade on 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, hang on. Let me see. So here, I was thinking it's gonna go up. But if you notice, like it wasn't quite touching the trend line. But anyway, I put a stop loss around here. Okay. I think, yeah, I took trade on 5 minutes time frame. Hang on. Yeah. 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 I did took a trade on 5 minutes time frame. See? Yeah. So I put a stop loss here, take profit there, but it didn't quite went there. Instead, stop loss got hit. But before that, there was couple of uh, event that happened. So you can see there was an upthrust action here. Okay, and the same upthrust action is backed by the breaking down action. So in the accumulation phase, you can see there's an upthrust action happening. Okay, and in distribution phase, there's a breaking down action. So it's a very strong down like short signal. That's why market went very down. Okay, you can see it hit one, two, three, all three targets in when it went down to the trend line. Here as well, you can see went to like first, second, yeah, second target till right, and there it made an accumulation phase here. Okay, so right now it's again making a backing up action with this in the accumulation like formation of phases because new week started. Okay, so for 5 minutes, it's tracking the highest high and lowest low of the 3 day. So we'll see what happens there. Um, considering the considering the position of the market, I would actually go to higher time frame and analyze from there. Okay, so see here it broke out above and then it's coming, retracing back a little bit, and it's actually standing its ground on this midpoint of this accumulation, right? So this is a good sign actually. If you see, RSI was making higher high, higher low, right? Price here it didn't quite made it, but this is a good sign that trend is continuing. So as this trend line overcomes this one, I think we're gonna continue to the upside. And 4 hour, if you come here, okay, well, 4 hour the downwave was still going on. So now it's backing up action. So if you go through the previous video that I did, what I was saying, like I will wait for the backing up action here. Market is gonna come around here, and that's what's going on. Okay, you can see like if you apply this concept in lower time frame, then expect to be like there is gonna be false positive. Okay, if you apply it in higher time frame, right? You can have like more backing up of the evidence that you can apply while entering the trade or taking the trades. Okay, and that's what we see here. You see, like these two lines are meeting. You see this uptrend, this like trend line, and then the resistance here. Okay, automatic rally. So this is a very strong point, and from here you will see a like big move to the upside. Okay, and yeah, so we'll see what happens because here I think it's gonna make an LPS. You see, it's trying to make an LPS around here. Okay, so what it's gonna be, it's like LPS plus backing up action. That's like uh, very good confluence of trades that you can take. Okay, coming to the 1 hour, we see we see that it was coming. it was trading on this descending trend line, and as soon as this trend line broke, you know, market just boom comes down, and it's making an LPS right now here on 1 hour time frame on the distribution phase. So this is gonna be, I think, a reaccumulation. You can see there was like spring formation, spring kind of formation, and then um, secondary test, then backing up action. Couldn't, sorry guys, it it actually couldn't go upside, so it's just trading on this, and then when this trend line got broken, came down, took the support here. So if this trend line is gonna be like breaks above, the breakout is gonna happen. You can see this trend line is coming. And guys, like, see, this is a lot of information. I understand that, okay, but in market, what we need is consistency. Okay, most of the analysis that you see online is actually like people are drawing lines like not randomly, but through technical analysis, and they can only do it uh, at a time, like one chart at a time. This you can apply it to pretty much any chart, any time frame. Okay, so that's the benefit of that. And as you get practice, okay, you will get familiar with the concept, and it will be a lot easier to apply this in real trading. Okay, so let's see. So see here, it's the RSI is making new momentum low, but price is it's not making new momentum low considering this point. You see this low. So technically speaking, there is more probability that it's gonna continue. There's gonna be a continuation to the upside. Okay, so that's the higher time frame. If I come to lower time frame on 15 minutes, and I think it was on Sunday as well. Yeah, so yeah, on Monday new accumulation phase is starting. So watch out for that. It has already started, and it might just come out to test this level. Okay. Um, it's like a spring or something, and then that's where like you can actually position yourself. Okay. Yeah, that's really amazing, guys. Yeah. All right. We can do analysis on different chart, and actually I'm gonna start trading on funded trading account from next week onwards. I'm gonna buy a 25K account and trade with it. Okay, to actually trade live and show that we can apply this concept in real time as well. So it's gonna be good, amazing. Yeah. You see, it has made one phase. Let's actually do proper analysis. Yeah. So if you notice, if you notice the gold analysis that I did, I was saying that okay, it's gonna hit around that one 700 or something, right? I don't know if you remember, but yeah, and it actually did. Okay, 691, almost like 700. Okay, so it goes to show that we can really rely on this system. You see, like one, two, three, four, and then fifth wave. So fifth wave, fourth wave actually is longer than the second wave. That's why it took longer time. Okay, you see this A, B, C pattern. And then when the fifth wave appears, this is what the fifth wave is. There's going to be a divergence here. So watch out for that. Okay. And it's already showing the signs of divergence. All right. So yeah, it might just go to this one, if the divergence doesn't hold. So we wait for the candle to close. All right. I mean, the wave to complete, right? The up wave to complete. So I can come to 1 hour chart as well. Mm. See, it can like come, it can go up from here, you know. Yeah, let's see what happens. Also, like getting myself familiar with how to use this as well. I mean, I have developed it, like, you know, I'm a developer, but in order to apply this in real market, I do need practice. So that's what my goal is from this um, exercise. You know, I think it's also going to help a lot of traders, learners to get themselves familiar with applying the concepts. And you know, as I'm building the course, um, right, like let me. So I'm actually building a course. I'm releasing already. So who are sign up for the course from Udemy this month? Sorry, 1 year access to all the indicator. Okay, please go to this website. You know, go and look around. YouTube, Udemy, TradingView. You can read my story of how I came up with this system. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and follow me on on YouTube as well. So yeah, follow me on. I think like TradingView is a really great platform. Okay. Um, yeah, and as well, you see how I came up with this system. You can go to start your free 30-day trial. You know, I'll just put it there. Mm, okay. So what new here is that you can actually select multiple indicators. So I selected Wyckoff, I selected RSI, right? Now I can just send and I will give you access to whoever signs up for 30-day trial. Okay. So there we go. All right. Email is already registered. All right. Let me change that then. Um, yeah. So make sure you check it out. And yeah, that's all I wanted to share. You know. Yeah, please like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you get an update whenever I, post um, an update in market data and market analysis. Okay? So it's been great joining me, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.